Gatling fireworks, a very popular superstar product in China. Now even already sold in Germany market or many other countries. Comparing to single-tube magic shot fireworks, Gatling fireworks has the advantages of fast production, more powerful effect, more good experience. The effect of Gatling fireworks are various. Normal effect is red, green, blue pearls to silver kris. It also can be color-changing effect, for example, blue to red strobe. Or some Gatling is called golden Gatling, so the basic color is golden, like golden willow, golden coconut, etc. The duration can be lasted 45 to 60 seconds. It depends on how many small powder tubes in the outer tube. This is also the key factor for price. Contact us via WhatsApp at +86 1354 860 6775 for more details.